The more I talk to people that have retired, I find the toughest thing for those people to overcome is loneliness. Let's face it, every day as an adult, you took care of your family, you went to work, and you came home to spend quality time with the people that you loved. Now your kids are out, they're out of the house, and you're retired. Things have certainly slowed down. See, once you were a tree that yielded much fruit from your branches, but now those branches are beginning to die. I say boo to all these negative feelings. You have so much more to offer than you really think. Don't sell yourself short. How can you even put a price on the wisdom and knowledge you have gained in your life? Well, how would you like to put that purpose back into your life and rid yourself of that loneliness? You can do what I did. See, when I began to feel the pain of loneliness, I went and started a profitable, hyper online business from scratch. My business allows me to help people worldwide to overcome their pain by helping them to find their purpose again while making passive income along the way. My business is fully automated so I can work whenever and wherever I want and spend more time doing what I want to do. And what a great feeling that is, my friends. Look, happiness comes from family, community, and social commitments to others. And the modern wealthy way of making money online checks all those boxes. This is why I'm so excited to share the modern wealthy way to make money with you. Modern wealthy is online and digital. Even better, there's no overhead costs like warehouses or supply stores. The Modern Wealthy program provides you with the cutting-edge, world-class programs that will walk you through step by step to prepare, launch, and grow your dream life business online, whatever it may be. How great is that? Click on the button on the screen and I will send you for free, with no obligation attached, free educational video series that will inform you how you too can join the many who have discovered the modern way to wealth. And they are living their dream lives by taking advantage of the billion-dollar market that's online. So watch these videos and witness the opportunities and your possibilities for you to find your purpose in life. Click on the button now and kiss your loneliness goodbye.